She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video, and today we are going to do a front splitter install. So this is actually an update video from the other lip video I did. I think I did one, this is like my second video I ever posted on this channel, and I'm going to finally do an update. I like this lip. This lip is pretty cool. Actually, one of the community members, E210 Midnight, actually linked this one to me. He was actually kind enough to send me the link, and I'm now sharing it with you guys. This lip is already better quality than the last lip. It's already thicker, as you can see. It's actually a thick piece of plastic. Unlike the other one, it was very flimsy. The other link was kind of weird. I was able to buy it 5 times. Yeah, I know I bought a lip 5 times. This is why I will never buy a real carbon lip, because I'll probably destroy it, and I don't want to do that. So that last link was kind of weird. It did restock like every 2 weeks, and a lot of you people couldn't buy it, but this link should be more accessible to all of you guys. They do have a matte black look and a carbon look. This lip looks a little bit bigger than the last one. I'm not sure how I'm gonna clear all this, but I'm sure there's a way. So this is what the package comes with. It comes with 6 little screws that hold this lip together, and the self tappers. I am recommending to use some 3M tape. Any 3M tape is fine. This is like the one I could find around the house, and an impact drill just to make life way easier. I'll leave the link down in the description for both lips, this carbon one and a matte black one. Let's get right into the installation. Alright, so first step is you gotta put these 2 pieces together, and you gotta use the short screws. So once you screw it in, make sure it lines up perfectly, because you can screw it on the wrong way and then you'll have a big gap. So you want to make sure that it fits perfectly, there's no gap. And then that's basically it for the screwing in part. Now I'm going to put some 3M tape. I'm just going to guess where to put the 3M tape. I actually do not know where to put it on, and I don't feel like test fitting it at the moment. So we're just going to put some 3M tape right now, and then put those tap-in screws later. Alright, so this is the final taping. I honestly do not know where I'm gonna need tape, so I just taped all throughout this flat part. I don't know if I need a tape here, but I'm pretty sure I'll be fine there. I'll let you guys know which tape you guys will actually need. I just did this just in case. I don't want to come back and re-tape it, so I taped it everywhere. So the next step is to test fit it on the car and zap it on there. Lip install is pretty easy. It's just very tedious, very time consuming, and you got to make sure it's right. So let's go install this splitter. Alright guys, so this is how the lip fits. I don't know how I feel about this lip. I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna link it down in the description. I do love the way it looks. I love the way it fits in the front, but it is kind of a fail video because look, once you come to the side, you see how it doesn't line up. It's at least an inch. I'm not gonna be running this lip for very long, but since I did buy it, it was $50, so might as well run it. So I mean, it looks good from the front, but man, I do not like it from the sides. It said that it fit my car, but obviously it does not. I'll show you guys where I did screw it in. So I did one at the very edge. You can see I did a bunch of times. I did it beforehand just to see where I did it, but just 4 screws on this side and then 3 in the middle. So I did one here, and then one at another dimple, and the same on this side. One there, and then 2 more right there. So I'm gonna put it on the ground, see how it looks. So this is how it looks like in the front, on the floor. As you can see, it does match up with the front fog lights, but the sides, man, that is kind of sad. But nonetheless, if you guys do not mind that, I will put the link down in the description. This was a fail video, but I'm still gonna upload it just to see if you guys like it or not. I do not like it. It's a fail. I guess I'm gonna have to invest in a chassis mounted splitter to avoid all these problems, but see, that looks pretty nice right there, but fitment is like 2 out of 10. I'll get you guys better shots. This was a fail, but I'm gonna leave it on just for a while till it breaks. Alright guys, so I'm probably the biggest capper here on YouTube. Disregard everything I just said about this lip because I actually ended up really liking it. Not more than my previous lip, because I think the previous lip made me look lower, and for some weird reason people thought I was on bags, and I have no clue why, but this lip is actually pretty nice. I ended up liking it. It grew on me, definitely. I've been running this lip for about a month now, and I haven't scraped it, as you can see. No scrapes yet, because this one's a little bit higher than the other one. The other one is a little bit lower, so you can scrape that one more easily, but this one I haven't scraped yet. I highly do recommend this lip, just only if you guys are willing to work with that installation, because it is kind of difficult. You got to make sure it's perfect, because if it's not perfect, it's gonna look even more worse than it already is. So I do highly recommend this lip if you guys are willing to work with it, and if you guys are okay with just having that little gap on each side. It's probably like an inch gap. It's not even that bad. I was just really disappointed when making the video because I thought it actually fit, because that's what the website said, you know. I ended up really liking it, and it adds a really aggressive style to the car. Like I said previously, I like how it matches up with the fog lights. As you can see, it has that hard line and it matches with it, so I ended up really liking it. Also, this is a little sneak peek to the next video I got going on. I did get a box. What I like about this box, it has a little lip at the end, matches my little spoiler. I did get it paint matched. This was in matte black, but I did paint match it to the color of my car. I also paint matched these little roof racks because I did buy them used. I paint matched them glossy black. Stay tuned for the next video. I already have this video recorded. I just gotta edit and upload it, but just a little sneak peek for you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I have so much content for you guys don't even know. It's just my life is kind of busy. As some of you guys may know, on my Instagram I have been blowing up thanks to you guys. I appreciate you guys 100%. I just recently hit 6,000 followers, and 2 days ago I hit 5,000 followers. It's actually really crazy. Many of you guys are supporting the build. Thank you guys so much. I'm so grateful for all of you guys supporting the build and my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for always liking, subscribing, commenting, following my Instagram, all my lifestyle content I am posting. Thank you guys so much. As for the Remark exhaust giveaway, I'm actually trying to get my hands on a Remark exhaust. I did have a deal with the guy, but stuff isn't working out. Other people are also busy with their life. I can't force them to make time out of their day and sell me their exhaust, but I am working on that Remark exhaust because you guys got me to 4K followers, because you guys got me to 3K subs on YouTube. So I appreciate you guys 100% for always supporting, showing up. Now I'm at 6,000 followers on Instagram. That's actually insane. About a month ago I was at 4K followers, and now all of a sudden I'm at 6K and 3,200 I think on YouTube. I appreciate you guys so much. That Remark exhaust giveaway will come soon. I'm trying to secure the bag for you guys, so please stay tuned. I will announce the giveaway on my Instagram, but I also will somehow try to include it with the YouTube video. I also will be giving away a lip. So I don't know if you guys want this lip or the previous lip. You guys put down comments down below if you guys want this lip or the previous lip. I will be more than happy to give away any lip, and then I'll also be giving some Corolla merch away. If you guys like that hanger or the shift band, I'm willing to give that, or even a Corolla banner that I will be getting soon. So please stay tuned. I got tons of content for you guys. Thank you guys once again for supporting the channel and all that. I don't know what I'd do without you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys for watching the video. Catch you guys next time. Yo guys, really quickly, this is not paid promotion or anything, but I just want to let you guys know that I did have a new mic, and I also like some feedback from you guys. This has a little wind mic, so I actually did use this outside. It was really windy and none of the wind actually picked up. This mic is really impressive. I just want to let you guys know that I did get a new mic. I got a new camera to record, so please let me know how you guys see the quality, if you guys see it improving, if you guys hear the audio improving. I really love this mic. I'm gonna link this mic down in the description just in case you guys want to purchase it. Please leave me feedback how you guys hear the sound quality. Now I have professional audio on the go. So guys, now for real, you guys enjoy your day, enjoy your night, wherever you may be. Thank you guys for watching the video. Catch you guys next time.